All right, this here is a Samsung, this French door style refrigerator freezer. If you're watching this, you already know why you're watching it, because it doesn't make ice because it freezes up in there. There's tons of videos that's going to tell you to go through this and defrost the ice maker, and it's, believe me, it's just a waste of time. You got to defrost it like 5-6 times. It makes a mess. Here's what I found the best way to get ice again is. Pull it out if it comes out. If it doesn't come out, then you are going to have to defrost it. Pull it out and then go in here. And right underneath there, hold on and I'll show you. Okay, I just cleaned mine up. It literally took me like 3 minutes. If you defrost it, it's going to take forever. It's just going to make a mess, and it just pisses you off. And Samsung's not going to do anything for you. So what happens is this right down here builds up ice on it, and the ice maker's up here. Okay, and it dumps the ice over the side into the bucket I just pulled out. The ice gets trapped right here, all through here. It gets trapped, it builds up, the ice can't come out, so you run out of ice. But ice is all packed up there. The easiest way to do it, okay, you guys can cry and, say you're going to damage something. You ain't damaging nothing. Take a big old knife like that, and you go under here and you chip all that ice off. And then you go over here, you chip all that ice off. You lay yourself some paper towels under here or something, so that way it doesn't make a big old mess. When you're done, you can pull it right out, throw it away, and you can slide that bucket right back in there and start making ice again. I just did it literally 3 minutes. Just be careful. Don't go in there, gouging it up. Just be smart about it. Then when you're done, you just take your ice maker right here, slide it right back in, close the door, you're good to go like nothing ever happened. All right. Now, if you can't get this out, if you try and it will not, you got to pull it, it'll break loose. See that? Now, if you can't get yours out, if you pull with all your might and it's not coming out, don't break it. So much ice has froze up in the back that it's actually trapped on the back of this little plastic piece there. See that little lip back there? It's actually going to be trapped on there on the right corner there. So at that point, refer to the other videos where you have to put the freezer or the ice maker into defrost mode. You're probably going to have to go through 4 or 5 cycles. And then once you get it, you can break the ice out. Just keep it maintained. Every probably few weeks or month, you're going to have to go in there and clean it. But that'll keep it working.